Hello guys, today is my last day in the village. I am heading back to the city to celebrate Christmas with my children. The weather has changed so much since I arrived. When I first got here, everything was lush and green, full of life, but now it's getting dry and the wind is hot. The plants are really struggling, and even the water tank is almost empty. Zinakauka. Unajua afadhali pale utakuwa unaziona kushinda pale utazisahau. It's amazing how fast nature can change, and it makes you appreciate every little drop of water, every leaf, and every fruit. So these are the plants that I planted when I first arrived, and now the rain stopped and it's like they were dying out. So we had to improvise a way on which we can do drip irrigation so that they may not die out on us. This month here has been incredible. Waking up to the sound of the birds, watching the sunrise, and sharing moments with people and nature alike. It is sunny. It is shining. Well, I've been here for almost a month. In the first week that I was here, it was better. But this time, the rain disappeared on us and our plants are really struggling. So we are trying to do drip, especially for the faint-hearted. Like a chicken that I've discovered my oregano, and it has started feeding on it. Ooh, this one, I'm not sure. You see, the sister is here doing well. But now the other one, a hen has discovered that it is very sweet, like kale. Hizi itabidi tutafute hata miti zikingwe, sijui utakinga na nini, because at this rate haitakuwa. Hey guys, you see me holding this? You know, it is that time. We are about to leave the village, and of course we must go with Ingoho. So you want to prepare them. I don't normally carry a live hen. I prepare them and I carry them when they are already slaughtered. So this one's Waswahili wanasemaje? Fahali wawili hawakai kwenye boma moja ama zizi moja. So this one's, there are two bulls. One must go, or two of them. Let me prepare. maji. So here we are boiling water for slaughtering the hen. So as the water boils in our dirty kitchen, we go and harvest some fruits. We must carry some fruits back. Despite the dryness, today has been beautiful. I spent the morning harvesting mangoes and pawpaw. And honestly, there's something magical about it. Picking these fruits reminds me of all the mornings I've spent here in this past month, learning the rhythm of the village, enjoying the simple routine, and feeling connected to this land in a way that I cannot even describe. Despite the challenges that I had faced with these mangoes, most of them were destroyed by a disease that I didn't know about, but I still got something. And next time, I know better on how I will take care of these grafted mangoes. I think all grafted fruits, they really need care. If you neglect them, they will not give you a good yield. Every step of their growth, they need care. Like when they start flowering, you must spray them so that the flowers will not fall out. When they start fruiting, again you spray so that the bug that interfered with the fruits will not affect them. So all these processes I didn't do, I just sprayed before they flowered. And that is why I had to throw a lot of mangoes, but still I was happy with the little I got. What was I calling? So after harvesting, it was now time to prepare the hen, to slaughter it and roast it, ready for the journey. This is the beauty of homesteading. As much as I have highlighted some challenges that we face when we homestead from afar, the benefits outweigh the challenges. Imagine now I'm going back with hen, with fruits, just from my homestead. I don't need to go to neighbors to start begging or even buying. I get all of them from my home. Living is definitely bitter-sweet feeling. But it's not just a place I visited, it's home. And even though I'm heading back to the city, I know I'll carry the mornings, the harvest, and the warmth of the village life with me. So before I go, I just want to say a huge thank you to all my subscribers who've been following my village vlogs. Your support means the world to me, and to all the new subscribers, welcome. You are in the right place and you're in for more amazing content. As I head back to the city, stay tuned because the journey doesn't end here. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I can't wait to take you along for what's next. Bye bye and have a Merry Christmas. See you in my next video back in the city. Ciao.